After gathering the data in the second stage of the research project, Mulheres em Prisão, Perspectives and Practice of Justice System on House Arrest, the ITTC's Justice Without Walls program wanted to hear from actors in the Brazilian judiciary. 33 interviews were conducted with individuals working as public defenders, judges, prosecutors, and other professionals who work directly with house arrest across all regions of Brazil. What emerged from these conversations was a strong stigma surrounding motherhood, which greatly hinders access to house arrest for those who need it most, despite the fact that those involved in the justice system are aware that pregnant women, mothers of children up to 12 years old, breastfeeding women, and women who care for people with disabilities can serve alternative sentences to imprisonment. Few of them apply this right. House arrest is often denied because the justice system has a negative view of the capacity of the convicted women as caregivers. In interviews, a prosecutor said,
"There's a lot of recklessness and irresponsibility in getting involved in these crimes. We know that if you are a mother, if you have children who depend on you, on your work, on your presence, you should try to stay as far away as possible from any kind of problem, so as not to stop spending time with your children. Does she deserve to go back? And is she able to go back home, to stay away from the circumstances that lead her to get involved with crime? There are many things I have to consider."
The perception of a responsible motherhood, which puts the children's well-being at risk, is used as justification to deny house arrest, disregarding the social and economic vulnerabilities of this family. Furthermore, there's a notion that mothers are not always indispensable to their sons and daughters, or that other family members could take on this responsibility. Women who are in conflict with the law are often viewed in a polarized way, either as criminals and unscrupulous individuals, or as victims, usually manipulated by men. This division of perceptions is deeply influenced by cultural and ideological gender constructs, which, together with structural racism, shape how women are treated in the justice system. In another interview, a person from the Public Defender's Office said,
"In many decisions, we observe a moral judgment of the woman as a bad mother for various reasons. Either she committed the crime at home, or she left home to commit it and left her children alone. She's a bad mother, either way."
Migrant women face additional challenges in securing the right to house arrest. In many cases, they lack documentation, a fixed address, or access to service, making it difficult to meet the requirements set by the courts. Although the Constitution and the migrant law guarantee the same rights for Brazilian women and migrant women, in practice, access to house arrest is not the same. Those interviewed showed that the criteria used to grant or deny house arrest vary considerably. While public defenders often consider the social context of women, taking into account motherhood and other vulnerabilities, judges and prosecutors tend to adhere only to legal criteria. And this difference in perspective reveals a great deal about how the justice system works and about the obstacle faced by women who are in prison. Black women, poor women, women from marginalized communities, or migrant women especially. It is these layers of inequality that make the application of house arrest in Brazil such an urgent and necessary issue to address. It is a duty of the state, and it's a fundamental step towards building a justice system that sees women in their complexity and that respects their rights, their stories, and their lives. Access the full report at ittc.org.br and continue following us in this fight. Revision: Laura Luz. Script: Justice Without Walls Program and Communication Teams. Illustration at assinado.vitus. Animation: Renato Campos.